Hello peeps! How are you doing, folks? It is good to see you visiting my channel. Welcome! So, are you interested in how to replace the battery or clean the fans on this Lenovo Ideapad Gaming3 15, the exact model listed right in front of you? Well, you came to the right video guide then, because I will show you how to do just that. So without further ado, let's get straight into it, shall we? Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts and components will be listed below in the description box of this video. So be sure to expand the box and check those links out. These are purchase links on Amazon, safe to open. I hope you will find them helpful. I thank you in advance. Before touching any of the components, I will disconnect the battery first, and I will also remove it so you know how to replace it. Only 4 screws keeping the battery in its place. Disconnecting the cooling fans, and like you see here, only 3 screws to remove them. Are you using compressed air to dust off the fans? Please make sure you jam them gently first. So I did just that and putting them back again. By the way, you can put a 16GB DDR4 kit here or a 32GB one, depending on your needs and workloads. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.